everyone! In this video, I will introduce a technique on how to check pickfeed interference. Why is pickfeed checking important? Even when a toolpath looks correct, the pickfeed motion can still hit the model, fixture, or remaining stock. These hidden collisions are one of the main causes of tool breakage and machine trouble. I will show you how to check pickfeed interference in CADmeister so you can run your programs safely and with confidence.
This is a sample model that has a deep shape around all sides. Output NC data to check pickfeed. Click on Display NC Data to show pickfeed. You will see that the pickfeed looks normal and does not interfere. However, you can check it to confirm whether the tool and holder have any risk of interference. Go to Verify NC Data panel and find Check Interference tab. Right-click and select Calculation Directions. The Calculation Directions setting will appear for value input.
Work origin. Specify the initial position of a tool. Set position. Setting unit. Select the unit of NC data output when performed without decimal point from among 1/10th, 100th, 1,000th, 1/10,000th. Check range. Specify display range of the NC data. All. Display all the contents of the NC data. %-%. Display the range %-% of the NC data. Check target. Specify the target movement to display. Rapid plus cut. Display high-speed feed movement and cutting feed movement. Cut. Display only cutting feed movement. Model shape. If collision check target product shape is well defined, select from Model Name. If Model Name Auto is set, the system will automatically extract the product shape within the range of the NC data. For newly set product shape, select Model Name New and specify Define. Current NC data name will become the product name. Product shape can be displayed with temporary figure by display, but in case Model Name Auto, it is not available. If Process STL is checked off, an STL can be used as a product shape. This is a capability that becomes available only when a CAM STL license is granted. Interference avoidance shape. In case collision check with shapes other than the product shape, such as with jig, is necessary, check figure directions and specify the target shape. If the target shape is well defined, select it from if.file, collision name. If new definition of the collision check target shape is necessary, define it with define. Current NC beta name will become the name of newly defined shape. Collision evade shape can be displayed as temporary figure with display. Calculation directions. Specify conditions of collision check calculation. Calculation tolerance. Input tolerance of collision detection calculation. Other tolerance. Input limit distance which tool, attachment, holder, and tool head can approach to the product shape. If the distance between product shape and tool is smaller than the approach tolerance, the system will recognize collision between them. Cutter check. Specify if collision check between the tool and the product shape is required or not during cutting feed movement.
Click Check on Check Interference and then click OK. Wait a moment and refresh to update the status. Interference will be shown if a tool or holder. Right-click and select Confirm. Click Display to show the pickfeed interference area. The red toolpath means there is a collision area.
This function is useful and important for a second check of pickfeed collision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more good tips. See you next time.